Good morning, students. Now, class 6. Today, your topic is filtration and centrifugation. Now, filtration. Filtration is a process by which insoluble solid present in the liquid is separated. As for example, there are some muddy water present and you have to separate the mud from water. Now this is done by filter paper, and there is a filter paper that is round. Filter paper is a round porous paper. Now it is folded into half semicircular form, then it is folded into quarter form, and 3 layers is taken in one side and 1 layer is in one side, then it is fit into the funnel. Now we have to arrange the apparatus, that is we have to take the beaker, glass rod, and arrange these apparatus in the given figure manner. You see in the page number 43. Funnel is fit with the stand and here glass rod with the help of glass and beaker is placed under it. Then with the help of glass rod we pour the muddy water. When muddy water is poured here, then mud in funnel there is filter paper. Now mud remains on the filter paper and water comes in the beaker. Thus, this process is known as filtration, and we can separate the insoluble substance from water by it. As for example, you have seen the separation of tea leaves with the tea. From the tea, you see that strainer, with the help of strainer, we separate the tea leaves from tea. That is tea leaves. When we filter the tea in cup, then tea comes in cup and tea leaves remains on the filtered paper, that is on the strainer. Now strainer act as a filter paper, and that is funnel, and tea leaves is the impurities as a solid, and that is insoluble, and tea comes in the cup which we take. Understand? Now filtration is a process of separating insoluble solids from a liquid with the help of fine porous filter paper. Understand? Now centrifugation. Have you seen the butter in the dairy? There what milk is churned. Milk is churned to find the butter. Now when milk is churned, then lighter substance comes in upper portion, and the heavier substance, that is milk, remains at the bottom portion. Now we take, and when it is in the milk, all the milk is rotating. Now rotating the milk by a machine. It is done by a machine. That machine is called centrifuge. The heavier particles by rotating the mixture, by churning the mixture. Heavier particles settle down at the bottom of the container and the other one stays at the top. Now separating cream or butter from the milk by churning it is an example of centrifugation commonly used in any household. Earlier it is done by a instrument in kitchen, but nowadays it is done by centrifuge machine in dairy, and thus heavier substance comes at the bottom part and lighter substance comes at the top portion. You have seen the spinning of clothes in washing machine. When cloth with water is rotated in a spinner, then water is the heavier substance comes down and cloth is the lighter substance which stays at the top. Now water is drained, which is heavier substance which goes down, which goes at the bottom. Now it is drained and our cloth, which is the lighter substance, comes at the top portion. The centrifugation is done in drying the clothes in washing machine. This is the application of centrifugation. Now you have seen the taste of urine or taste of blood is done by centrifugation. These are the application of centrifugation. Now you have understood that filtration and centrifugation. Now next day I will discuss the mixture of liquid with liquid.